What's up YouTube? Biz here once again with another video for you all, and in today's video we'll be discussing starting your t-shirt business online, whether you should do print on demand or dropship through AliExpress or other methods like that. Now before we go on, be sure to subscribe to this video as we are growing this channel. We finally broke through 200 subscribers. The next thing is 300 subscribers, so if you all can subscribe, like this video and comment below. Now, for a while I was posting every day for a month straight. That was one of my challenges that I did, and then I took about a week off, and now I'll be posting 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Alright, now when you're starting your online t-shirt business, a good question to ask is whether you should do print on demand or drop shipping if you do not want to make the shirts yourself or ship them out yourself. So this is just referring to print on demand and drop shipping methods. Now, some things to consider is that first of all, for me, I experimented with both. I experimented with print on demand and drop shipping, and currently on my website, on my Shopify website, I use both methods actually. I have print on demand t-shirts and whatnot, and I'm currently drop shipping a hoodie from AliExpress. And yeah, there are pros and cons to each. So let me just explain first with print on demand. So with print on demand, the main thing is faster shipping. You cannot deny that. Pro with print on demand, whether if you're starting a business to sell t-shirts, print on demand, especially if you're shipping out domestically here in the United States, that's the better method. Drop shipping honestly will take 3 to 5 weeks for your customers to receive their product. And so print on demand, it's faster. And then another thing is that American sizes. So with AliExpress, these are usually manufacturers from China, and their size charts are much different than ours, right? People are smaller there, obesity and overweightness is not as prevalent over there, and so their sizing in their t-shirts are smaller, probably a size down or a size and a half, can be 2 sizes down sometimes. So when I was drop shipping some t-shirts, I always ran in with that issue with selling t-shirts, and so that's why I really moved into more of the print on demand method, so I can get more American sizes where it fits us Americans better. And it's not only because we're more overweight, it's just regular. Like for me, for a 25-year-old person, like I wear a medium shirt and I'm a slim guy, look at me, but like someone my age in China would be like a small in their respective body type. But yeah, and so American sizes. And then another thing that's kind of cool about print on demand is that you can choose the quality of the t-shirt. So when you're choosing the quality of the t-shirts, you can, on print on demand like Custom Cat or Printful, you can choose which brand, like if you want Hanes, if you want Gildan, if you want Next Level, Canvas, I think. And so you can choose a brand, and you can choose what kind of properties, materials go into your shirt. If you want 100% cotton, if you want a tri-blend material with 3 different materials that add extra soft feel. But with drop shipping, it's mostly just one type of t-shirt, and you don't really know the touch or feel of it until you actually receive it. So if you're going to do drop shipping, I always recommend buy the t-shirt first, wait 3 weeks until it comes, then choose whether you like the quality or not, because you can't choose when you're drop shipping. Now with Now with drop shipping, there are some advantages that I like from drop shipping. First of all, it's cheaper. So when I'm explaining these methods, so print on demand, I was giving the pros and giving the cons of drop shipping. So basically faster shipping compared to drop shipping, American sizes compared to Chinese sizes. So now I'm going to give the pros of drop shipping and the cons of print on demand. So when you're starting this t-shirt business, drop shipping, their t-shirts are cheaper. They come overseas. Just buying in bulk these t-shirts from China is cheaper. Every major brand does it. Your big Adidas and Nikes, all of Forever 21, all H&M, they all buy their t-shirts overseas because it's much cheaper and the labor is cheaper. And so you will find that with drop shipping. And print on demand is so much more expensive, like tremendously more expensive, because you're not only paying for the shirt, but you're paying for shipping for the shirt. And usually with AliExpress drop shipping, they have the e-packet price for shipping already included in the price. So for example, I'm selling this hoodie on AliExpress, and it's costing me $14 for e-packet shipping, everything included. And on my print on demand website, that will cost me around $20 just for the hoodie, and then $5 for shipping. So 15 compared to 14, that's $11 difference. And so, that cuts into my marketing cost. That $11 can be used to acquire a customer. And first of all, to charge cheaper for my products. Because with print on demand, because the cost of goods is more expensive, you have to price them a little bit higher. And so it's cheaper, it's less inexpensive. So I'm not necessarily talking about the quality, I'm just talking about the price. It's cheaper. And then another thing with drop shipping is that you can get why am I keep on putting CNA? Get quantity discounts with the manufacturers. So with this, when you're messaging different manufacturers on AliExpress, you can ask for quantity discounts. So if you sell a certain amount a week, they can usually give you some discounts. Now, with drop shipping, because it's cheaper, you can spend more on advertising. And that's what I like about drop shipping. I can experiment more with advertising and things like that. And honestly, with drop shipping, you don't have to worry about the design of the t-shirt. So this goes in different ways. So first of all, drop shipping, you're getting a t-shirt from AliExpress, right? So you're not designing any t-shirt. You're just looking at a t-shirt on AliExpress to see if it sells, see if it's not a copyrighted good, because sometimes AliExpress sells copyrighted clothing, and you have to be wary of that. I caught myself. I actually made that mistake. And so you have to do your research with the t-shirt. But with print on demand, you have to worry about finding a winning design, hiring a graphic designer to design a logo or a design for your t-shirt, which can be a pro also to many people, because you can cater to your specific audience. But with this, what I like about dropshipping is that they have some data on it. They have reviews on this t-shirt. They have how many orders is on this t-shirt. So if it has like over 100 orders, okay, this can be trendy. This can be a popular t-shirt. And it's a design. It's a general design. You can just use it. And so with that, I see a huge pro with that. Because it's selling already on AliExpress, and most likely will sell on your website. And so when you're So when you all are deciding whether you should start a t-shirt business with dropshipping or print on demand, I hope you all consider these aspects. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below. All right, peace.